Large size stretchable. Ayan, mahaba. Yes, mahaba. Large size, yes, mahaba. Yes, mahaba. Knitted cotton yan. Yes, mahaba. Large size. Another one, mga madams. Si Ambience. Small on tag. Knitted cotton din to mga madams. Small. Kasya na medium. Small to medium, madam. Anong yes, ma'am, pa? Small, medium, yes, itim. Yes, itim. Small to medium, yes, itim. M, yes, SM si ma'am pa. M, baka M. Yes, M. Ayan, yes, M yung isa. Yes, itim. Next. Ritmans, medium on tag. Medium kasya ng large. Medium to large. Knitted cotton, yes, blue. Yes, blue, yes, blue. Yes, blue. Yes, blue, yes, blue. Yes, blue, medium large kasha. Another one, ito naman Gap. Gap ang brand, medium pero parang large to. Knitted cotton. Gap to ha. Much better sa large. Stretchable. Much better large, yes, L. Yes, L. Much better large size, yes, L. Gap ang brand. Di Ma'am Eva Barqueros. Diadora XL on tag, dry fit. XL on tag, dry fit si Diadora. Yes, dry. XL, madam ha. XL, dry fit. Yes, dry. Diadora ang brand. XL, yes, dry. Dry fit yan, madam. Ganyan talaga siya ha. Ganyan talaga ang tela niya. May design yan, di lang halata. XL, yes, dry. Yes, dry, XL. Tagal niya, Ashi ah. Ashi! Athletic Works, medium size, good as new, dry fit. Medium size Athletic Works, madam. Eh, para may pa-tube siya dyan, madam. O, ganyan. Dry fit yan ha, medium. Yes. Good. Dry, si Ma'am Grace Bayani. Yes, good. Yes, good. Ayun, Bio. Yes, good. Yes, good. Dry fit din to, madam. Athletic Works, good as new. Yes, good. Yes, good.